guys, so today I'm going to be doing a one brand hair care routine. However, there's going to be a twist because not only am I going to be doing it, but also my sister as well. So today the brand that we're going to be trying out is the Schwarzkopf, and this is their Bonacure Hair Therapy Cell Perfector. And all of this line says here that it has repair and rescue. So we're going to be trying out the deep conditioner, the deep nourishing shampoo, the hair treatment, and also we're going to be trying out some leave-in conditioners and also some of their serums. So we're going to go ahead and use this on our hair, but first I'm going to explain the details and what the shampoo and all the hair care products to you guys so that you would know its function, and then we'll be trying this out on our hair so you both can see its effect on my hair and on my sister's hair, which is dyed, so that we all can really tell if this really made any difference. So let's go. Alright, so here are the products that we are going to be trying out. So the first set are the Schwarzkopf Bonacure Cell Perfector Repair and Rescue, Reverse-Lane Treatment, Shampoo and Conditioner. Now these hair care products are great for extremely dry and damaged hair because it repairs and deeply nourishes your hair. The formula contains Cell Perfector and Reverse-Lane technology that brings back the natural hair movement as well as promoting elasticity and strength. So it prevents your hair from breakage and split ends while strengthening it, conditioning and hydrating your hair. Now the other one is the Schwarzkopf Bonacure Cell Perfector Spray Conditioner, and this product is an excellent leave-in conditioner for instantly detangling damaged and dry hair, taming down frizz, and it also recharges hair with essential moisture, keeping your hair hydrated and soft all day. Also, it does not make your hair look greasy. Now the last one is the Schwarzkopf Bonacure Cell Perfector Repair Rescue Reverse-Lane Nutri-Shield Serum, and this has a double serum that combines optimal care and protection against styling heat up to 220 Celsius or 425 Fahrenheit. The formula with the Cell Perfector and the new Reverse-Lane technology leaves your hair visibly transformed and shiny. It is also non-greasy and it is incredibly lightweight as well. Plus, it gives your hair a really nice fragrance after. And you can find all of these hair care products on my shop, so I'm just going to leave that in the description box down below if you guys want to check it out. Okay, so my sister decided to use it first, so starting off with the shampoo. So this is what the shampoo looks like, and when my sister was actually applying it on her hair, she did notice that it was very easy to lather on her hair, and also it was very conditioning on her hair because it didn't make her hair feel dry. So instead of applying it just on her roots, she decided to apply it all over her hair. And then after that, she rinsed the shampoo off and then towel dried her hair because we are going to be applying the hair treatment after this, and it requires that your hair should be towel dried. So she just applied the treatment all over her hair and then let it stay on her hair for about 10 minutes as indicated in the instructions. So after 10 minutes, she rinsed it off, and as you guys can see, her hair looks super soft here. Alright, so after that, she applied the conditioner, and the conditioner smelled really good, by the way. And she just applied the conditioner starting on the mids and the bottom part of her hair, and then she left it on her hair for 2 minutes. And when she was rinsing it, this is what her hair looks like. I really like how it gave my sister's hair shine, and it did look and feel super soft. Alright, so after that, my sister towel dried her hair, and now she's going to use the Bonacure Repair Rescue Spray Conditioner all over her hair while it's still damp to ensure that her hair is going to be moisturized all day. And then the last step is to use the Bonacure Therapy Repair Rescue Nutri-Shield Serum, and this is great to use to prep your hair if you are going to use heat on it. And of course, I let her use this because she's going to use a blow dryer on her hair after to dry out her whole hair. So we're just going to use the medium heat. Okay, so it's my turn to try it. So I decided to become a little rebel and not follow the directions to see if it works the same. So with me, I use the shampoo on my scalp, as you guys can see, and then I use the conditioner on the mid and the bottom part of my hair. And then after that, I rinse it off and I use the treatment on my hair last. So I left it on my hair for about 5 minutes and then I rinsed everything off. And as usual, I towel dried my hair. And then also I used the spray conditioner all over my hair after it. And then I dried my hair using the fan of an aircon. I know it's weird, but it worked. And once my hair was about 90% dry, I then placed the Nutri-Shield serum on my ends to moisturize them. And after this, we will be telling you guys the full result of it. So here it is. Okay, guys. Actually, my hair is not fully dry. It's sort of issued down. But my sister's hair is completely dry. Now, her hair is all natural right now. She did blow dry her hair, but she didn't use the rollers or anything. So this is her natural hair. Do you want to go ahead and share your experience first?
Yeah, so sure.
Okay.
So I like all the products. So first, the shampoo. What I really like about the shampoo is that when it touched my hair, it was really smooth, and even after I washed it, my hair is still smooth. So that's the thing that I'm always expecting with shampoo. That that you would really know the result right after you just shampooed my hair.
Yeah, actually the same thing. That's what I experienced. After I shampooed my hair, I didn't feel like my hair was dry at all. Because usually, as what you've said, once you shampoo in your hair, especially if your hair is dry and damaged, it dries out your hair. But the shampoo is very, very moisturizing for the hair. If you want deep conditioning, this can really deep condition your hair. And also, we talked about the smell. The smell?
Yeah, the smell,
it's really good.
Yes.
Yeah. All right. So now for the conditioner.
Yeah, for the conditioner as well, it's really, really good. My hair feels so soft. At the same time, it's smooth. It really moistures your hair. So
yeah. Actually, we did kind of like in a different method. My sister used like the traditional way on how to use all the products. I did it my way, but the results we find are still the same. For me, I actually applied the conditioner. And I felt like my hair was really soft after that as well. But yours, you actually applied this last, right?
Yes, after
the treatment.
After the treatment, yes.
But this one is very nice and very moisturizing for the hair. And once again, this smelled really, really good. What else can we say with the treatment? Because it's still the same.
Yes.
It really does moisturize your hair for a long period of time. Because usually, one thing that I notice with hair mask, if it's not really like a deep conditioner, after a while, after you wash it, after it dries, your hair doesn't feel that soft anymore, but I can really tell
that it's soft.
Yeah, that it's really soft.
And also, after I washed my hair, my hair looks really, really straight.
Yeah!
Do you remember that?
Yeah.
My hair really looks straight and really soft. The strands of my hair is not dry, it's not frizzy. What's the term? Or it's just it's just healthy after.
True. That's the thing as well with my hair. I felt like my hair was even coated, or like it has been waxed or something. So that's the kind of feeling. For you, since your hair is like dyed, and last time my sister told me that her hair really, really needs moisture, so that's why I included her in this. So for you, you really have benefit from this a lot.
Did you see when we washed my hair?
Yeah. I took a video of that. Actually, your hair was really shiny.
Shiny, right?
Yeah, and glowing. Yeah. All right, so let's move on with the Bonacure Hair Therapy Cell Perfector, and this one is their spray conditioner. It makes your hair smells good. It makes your hair shiny and smooth. And also, this is also probably one of the reasons why our hair is very moisturized when it dried. It's because of this as well. So especially during the summer, I think this would very much benefit our hair here, especially in the Philippines right now because it's super hot and usually your skin gets dry, your hair gets dry easily. So this one is amazing to apply on your hair to retain that moisture. Okay, so the last one that we have here is the Bonacure Hair Therapy, and this is their Nutri-Shield Serum.
Well, yes, that's what you've said. It really works as a shield. When you put on your hair, it feels very smooth and it has this silky feeling after.
Yeah. So basically this protects your hair from dryness. So my sister applied this before she blow dried her hair.
Yeah.
So that's the thing also that you notice that your hair was feeling kind of smooth and hydrated even though she applied a little bit of the heat on it. So with me, I applied it when my hair was sort of itchy. My hair is not completely dry. It's still somewhat itchy damp, but I do notice that it's very lightweight. It didn't feel feel sticky on my hair at all.
Yeah.
And I thought since it kind of looks like it's a cream base, it's going to be kind of heavy, or it's going to be kind of just like
sticky.
Yeah, it'll make your hair stick and all that, but it didn't do that at all. And overall, it's really nice if you want to treat your ends. With all the products, I think I can rate it 10 over 10 because I have no complaints at all. And for you, Manalor?
Yeah, I would rate it as 10 as well.
Yeah.
11.
Yeah, exactly. So that is it, you guys. We like all of the products, and these are probably going to be included in one of my favorite shampoos and conditioners. And also, if you guys know me, I really like it when my hair smells good. So after you're finished using all of these products, it makes your hair like you just got out of a salon. And as it says here that all of these are salon exclusive. But however, if you guys want to try this out, I'm going to link the products down below. I actually have a shop that includes all of the products, all of my favorite hair care products there. So if you guys want to check this out, or if you want to try it out, the link is down below. So that is it, you all, and we will see you on our next video. Bye!